What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a new video and update on the Atlantis Wagon Tom Daniel. So here it is. We already went ahead and painted the white sections on each side, as you can see there. I went live last night, and that's pretty much where I ended up on the live, showing you guys how I went about it, how I did it, and I also use the AK interactive flat white for this. I did not have to airbrush, so that was awesome. Just just to move on through and not have to wait for so much time to do backmasking and covering the whole thing. So we went ahead and we did it. Cool thing about the paint, it's already dry. I'm already starting to wet sand. I'm starting to sand even some of the edges and everything, and it just holds up really nice right there. I really recommend these markers. They're really great. We have them on the website, skullriders.com. We have a whole bunch of different ones. I mean, this right here is definitely great markers to the hobby. So what I'm doing right now is I got water in here with a couple drops of some of the dish soap. And I'm starting off with the 2000 grit. I already went ahead and started wet sanding the roof of this. Right now it's dry right up here, as you can see. And I'm starting to work my way around through the sides and the bottom right there as well. We're starting to get rid of a lot of the shine that it has on there. And we're going to be doing this throughout the body. Right here, I'm going to be careful. I'm not going to be going over it with the 2000 grit just because it could be a bit harsh. I don't want to break through the clear. And next thing you know, I'm, ripping out the waterslide decal. So for something like this, I would recommend like an 8000 and then finish it off with the 10,000 right there. So pretty much I could do something like this and not worry that, it's going to break right through. So that's that process right there. As far as, like the roof and all, we're going with the 2000. It's more coarse. And then we work our way up. So you guys have seen me. I've already done a lot of videos on this. If you guys are watching this for the first time and are unaware, just check out the backlog of videos. We have tons of videos on there where I'm wet sanding, getting it ready for polish. So, I'm just repeating the process of the way I go about polishing my models. So we're going to be hitting a lot of these bigger, smooth areas with the 2000 grit. All the little small areas, 8000 grit, all right here. I don't want to burn through the edges or anything, using something more coarse. And, once we have this all uniformed, I'm going to go ahead and polish the whole thing. Once it's already all there, then we're going to go ahead and we're going to start doing assembly, putting all the parts, starting to glue all the parts on there. Finally, at the very end, then I'll get a wax and I'll start to just wax it. That way I could get rid of any kind of fingerprint or, little bit of residue of stuff. And that way it's already nice and shiny right there. So I have to finish this step. Once we're done with the whole polishing and everything, we're going to go ahead and move forward along with the assembly. And this model should be done pretty soon. We already have the little pies on here. I had mentioned that I wanted to pretty much paint the exterior. So I should be painting that in a pearl as well. I might do like a light pearl pink. That was another idea, because I know if I have it just pearl white, it's going to just like pop out. So we'll see what's up. We'll see what ends up happening with that right there. But man, this model has been really fun to build. First time ever doing a show rod, especially this pie wagon, and definitely going to be building another one in the future. I'm just really digging this model a lot. It's really nice. If you guys have ever thought about building one, I highly recommend it, man. They're pretty neat. Now after this one, I know I'm going to keep an eye out to want to do more of the show rods. Just something about them. They're really nice. It's on some like next level type stuff right there. It's really cool with all the things that that were being done with these cars back in the day. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see. So yeah, like right here, there's parts of the door where it looks kind of weird. Look at that, almost like orange peel. We got to flatten that out. We got to get rid of that. We got to make sure it's nice and uniformed in there. And we're, like I said, we're going with the 2000. Pretty much all it up to here, and that's it. Nothing else, because then it would just be too much if I end up going with another Like this grit all over the rest of it would be too much. But I'm really digging this right here. It's starting to come together. And don't be freaked out if you ever are sanding your car and it gets dull, you know. Just make sure whenever you're primering, I mean not primer, clearing, that you do spray a good amount of clear and not just, you know, a small little thin layer of clear. Sometimes you don't even have to go this dramatic for a thin layer of clear, you know. You just have to be like cool with that. Like, all right, that's it. We'll leave it alone, because then you will end up burning through that clear a lot of the times. So I'm using House of Color Show Clear, so it's pretty thick. It's up there. I would match it up somewhat with the 2K Clear, you know. And I'm thinking about like splash paints. Splash paints, you could definitely also use these pads as well. I've done with my models and in the past, and that's a really good clear also to be able to use right there. But this is a process. I mean, this is like pretty much all in repetition, doing this whole side, doing this side right here as well. See, like the back side's already like pretty smooth and dull. That's what we want. That's what we want this part to be like as well, to match. There we go. And this takes time, so you could always like throw on some music, watch, put a video in the background, you know, while you're doing this, because it does take a bit of time. You know, you gotta just be patient and keep working it right there, and little by little it starts to like come together, you know. So yeah, like right here, obviously, like you see, it's like nice and shiny, but we're gonna end up, you know, going with the 6 right over the decal, and then, you know, we start to kind of mirror, like not mirror, but start to polish everything, bring it up to until we hit 8,000 on the whole body, and then 10,000 on the whole body, and this thing is going to be done for that part. And then after that, we end up going with the Maguire's polishing. So that's another phase right there. So it's coming together, guys. But that's all for this video. Stay tuned for more. I will keep you guys informed and updated. Any questions or anything, just hit me up and let it be known right there in the comments. All right, guys, have a good one. Take care of yourselves. Peace.